To use auto replace feature to autocorrect the word you are typing on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable auto replace feature. To do so, open an app or screen where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. As the example, while you are texting someone on WhatsApp, tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the setting icon at the top of the keyboard. Tap auto replace. As a note, auto replace feature will be available if you have enabled predictive text feature. However, if you have multiple languages on your keyboard, you can choose which language you like to use with auto replace. As the example, we will enable auto replace for English. To do so, tap the gray on object next to English until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, tap the back key twice to go back to the screen where you can type with your keyboard. To use auto replace feature, type something. As you type, you will see suggested words. You just need to tap the spacebar or the enter key to replace the word you are typing with the highlighted word. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.